Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove account limitations on PayPal personal account. The steps are straightforward, so follow along with me. Let's dive in. To get started, click on the account button in the top right corner and go to your account settings. Once you're there, locate the section labeled Limits in Account Access and select it to view your account limits. This page will outline the initial restrictions set by PayPal for security purposes, including limits on receiving, sending, withdrawing, or holding funds. To lift these limits, click on the Lift Limits option. PayPal will then ask you to provide additional information. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you'll need to do so. If your bank account is already linked, PayPal may require further details such as your address, additional account information, or other supporting documentation. That's all there is to it. By completing these steps, you can successfully remove the limitations on your PayPal account. Thanks for watching.